The number of taps that a current transformer or CT can feed hinges on several considerations. Firstly, consider the CT rating. The CT needs to be appropriately rated for the maximum current that the transformer will be supplying. Secondly, the number of metering devices. Each metering device, such as a meter or main distribution panel or MDP, will necessitate its own dedicated tap. Next is wiring configuration. The wiring configuration of the taps has an effect on the number of taps that are able to be supported. As a general rule, a CT can feed up to 5 taps. Each of these taps can supply a metering device with a maximum current of 100 amps. However, this number can be reduced should the CT not be rated for the current that's required, or if the wiring configuration isn't deemed suitable. The total current drawn by all devices should never exceed the CT rating. If unsure about the CT rating or the suitability of the wiring configuration, it's important to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure the installation is safe and compliant with applicable codes and standards. This can encompass examining the primary and secondary current ratings of the CT to confirm they align with system specifications, inspecting the burden rating of the CT to ensure it meets requirements of connected metering devices, and also verifying the insulation class of the CT to ascertain its compatibility with the voltage levels in the system. Also, ensure the wiring complies with electrical codes like the National Electrical Code or NEC and any other local regulations, especially concerning conductor sizing, conduit fill, and grounding. Confirm that all connections are correctly torqued and that the overall installation complies with manufacturer guidelines and industry best practices. If there are 4 MDP being fed by the main CT, this is possible if the CT is rated for the total current drawn by all 4 MDP and the wiring configuration is appropriate.